How to add bio on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a bio on Twitch. First thing we're gonna do is go to Twitch and then click here on your profile. Click on it and then click here and now click this one, edit profile, and now click here. This one, click on it. And now all you need to do is just type any bio you want, like hello or anything, and then click save. And as you see, the bio has been added, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.